Just noticing the sounds now as you breathe deeper and deeper. You're allowing the sounds of your environment to be a part of the tapestry of your meditation. They're disappearing from your awareness as you breathe. As you breathe deeper now, deeper and deeper, you're feeling that with every breath you take, your mind and your body are letting go. Taking a moment now to reflect upon who you actually are. Do you see yourself as a good person? Worthy? Lovable? Successful? Desirable? Open-hearted? Generous? How do you see who you are? It's time to clear all of that, for today yields a new beginning.